So you have learned the basic things about the matrix. Now there is more things about matrix you have to know. Row matrix means if there is only row present, like A, B, this is a matrix, this is row matrix. If there is a only column, that is column matrix. If number of row and number of column is same, that is known as square matrix. So this is a square matrix. Rectangular matrix means column, number of column and number of row is different. 2 4 7 3 5 2. Here is 2 row and 3 columns. So this is a rectangular matrix. Zero or null matrix means all the elements in the matrix is zero. This is known as null matrix or zero matrix. Try to remember these things. Then one more important things about that unit matrix, which is represented by I, that is known as unit matrix. In that this is known as unit matrix. In that case, elements of its leading diagonal is 1. It is a leading diagonal. This is 1 and this would be 0. I means maybe anything, like you can write like this also. Here leading diagonal is 1. So this is also a unit matrix and that is represented by a I. Then transpose of matrix means you have to interchange the, like A matrix is given A 4 5 6 7. Transpose of that matrix is represented by A to the power T. That means you have to interchange the row and column. That means that will be 4 5 8 6 7 9. That is transpose of matrix. If the matrix is equal, like x 4 5 6 5 4 5 6, if that matrix is equal, that means all the element is equal. I can say x equal to 5. Next, how to add the subtract the matrix. Here one more things you have to remember when you are adding or subtracting the matrix. Adding or subtracting of matrix only possible if their order is same. Like there is two matrices given 6 8 9 4 and B is 3 5 9 8. What will be the A plus B? That means you have to add each element, like 6 plus 3 9, 8 plus 5 for 13, 9 plus 9 18, 4 plus 8 12. It is only possible because there are both matrices have the same order. Similarly, you can subtract that. If A minus B you have to find out. 6 minus 3 3, 8 minus 5 3, 9 minus 9 0, 4 minus 8 minus 4. So now it is clear to you how to add or subtract the matrix. Now if you want to multiply 2 with A, that means A matrix is given, you want to multiply 2 with that. That means here is A I have written, that is 6 8 9 4. You have to multiply all the term with 2, that becomes 12 16 18 8. If there is two matrices given, if you want to multiply them, how to multiply them, that is the factor that you have to know, because that is little more complicated. Other than all are very easy. Like you have to multiply A into B. How you can multiply it? You have to multiply, like you have taken first this row, you have to multiply with that column. That means 6 into 3 plus 8 into 9. Add 6 into 3 plus 8 into 9. In the next same row, but next column, that means that is 6 into 5 plus 8 into 8. Next row, first column, that means 9 into 3 plus 4 into 9. Next 9 into 5 plus 4 into 8. This is the procedure. Try to understand that. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, first column, then second row, second column. This is first row. If I write first row, first R into first column, here first row, second column, and that is second row, first column, and that is second row, second column. These things you have to understand. That is the way to. So what result we got? I am writing this here because this will be easy to understand. 6 3 are 18 plus 8 9 is 72. 18 plus 72 is 90. 30 and 64, that is 94. Then 17 and 36, 27 plus 36, that will be 63. And here 45 plus 32, 45 plus 32 is 77. That is the result we got by multiplying A and B. If it is said multiply A and I, where A is given 4 5 6 7, I am writing, I don't know, whatever. I, you have to assume that will be 1 0 0 1. You know that how to write I. Now multiply it in the same procedure like the previous one. You will get the result. What is the meaning of A square? Multiplying the A into A. That means 4 5 6 7. 4 5 6 7. What result you will get? 4 into 4 plus 5 into 6. Here 4 into 5 plus 5 into 7. Next 6 into 4 plus 7 into 6. Here 6 into 5 plus 7 into 7. So 16 plus 30, it becomes 46. 20 plus 35, it becomes 55. 24 plus 42 is become 66. 30 plus 49, it becomes 79. So A square means I got that. Now I am solving a math. You just try to understand that. Matrix is very easy, just you have to understand that and solve it. Like A is given 5 6 8 9. A matrix is given, A is 5 6 8 9. Find A square minus 4i. Find A square minus 4i. First find out the A square. A square means A into A. That means 5 6 8 9 into 5 6 8 9. And how to get that, you know that. 5 into 5 plus 6 into 8. Then 5 into 6 plus 6 into 9. Then 8 into 5 plus 9 into 8. Then 8 into 6 plus 9 into 9. So what result you got? 25 plus 48, that means 73. Here 30 plus 54, that means 84. Here 45 plus 72, 45 plus 72, 117. Here 48 plus 81, 48 plus 81 is how much? 139. No, not 129. So this is, you got a square. Now 4i, 4, that means 4 into I means, you know that 1 0 0 1 I can write, because that is 2 into 2 matrix. So you got, that is 404. Now you have to subtract that, a square minus 4i. You have to find out a square minus 4i. A square, you got the result 73, 84, 117, 129. 73, 84, 117, 129. And here 4i, you got that 4004. Now subtract means subtract all the elements. 73 minus 4 is 69. 84 minus 0, 84. 117 minus 0, 117. 129 minus 4 is 125. So that is the a square minus 4i. In this way you can solve the matrix. I think that become easy to you if you understand that. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question. Okay, bye.